on me. Right?
Hello everyone, it is Friday night and I made a Walmart Plus order today to be delivered this evening from between 7 and 10. Or no, 7 and 9. Yes, 7 and 9. And it came about 7:25. And so I worked that out perfectly because I just got home from the gym. And so honestly was home no more than 20 minutes and my groceries came. I thought for sure it was like, it's Friday, I'm going to have to wait till 9. But I ordered my groceries this morning hoping that, I would get in there fast. So did good, got my groceries. I'm going to share with you guys what I purchased. I'm having company. My mom and dad are coming to town. It's my birthday this week. And so I am going to make, I'm going to make chili and I'm going to make a baked potato bar. I'm also going to use those greens for a salad that I'm going to make, and I will be sharing it on here. I think I might have shared a little bit of it before, but I can't remember, to be honest with you, because I ate it for Christmas at my mom's. So I don't know if I shared that recipe with you guys, but the salad is delicious. It has feta in it. It has Honeycrisp apple. It's got walnuts. It's delicious. And the dressing is to die for. So I'll be sharing with you in a future video, but we're going to have that. I'm going to make some bologna salad because that goes really well. I bought the French bread because I'm going to be making Paula Deen's overnight French toast. If you have never made that recipe and you're going to have company, it is so delicious and so easy. Now, I will tell you, it takes some eggs. It takes some eggs, but it's worth it. And it is my birthday, so I get to eat what I want, and we're going to have that and bacon, hoping Monday morning. So when I get up early Monday morning, I'm going to slip it into the oven, and it'll bake up and puff real big, and we'll have that. It'll be absolutely delicious. So here we go. Let's see. We have 2 things of the turkey meat. I have been using this. Ronnie loves it. I love it. It is a lot better for you than hamburger meat. I made chili this past week and I used this in it. And I will tell you, between you and me, that was the best chili I've ever had. And so everything that I did, I'm mimicking it and I'm doubling it for when my parents come, because Ronnie and I ate that whole pot like in no time and it was delicious. So we will, if we have leftovers, Ron and I will eat on it another day, or they can have it however we want to do this. But it's just so good. There's my other one. Liquid gold, my friends. Very expensive eggs. Oh my gosh, eggs are so expensive. It's crazy. Bread, 2 things of bologna, and then I got some diced tomatoes. I think I got 2 of them. Let me see here, and 4 of the light red kidney beans. They're all the Great Value brand, and that is what's there. I used this in my chili the last time, and it came out absolutely delicious. So I bought 2 of those. Bought feta right here. And this goes in my bologna salad, which is the Colby Jack. I just grind it all together. And then we add mayonnaise. These are my favorite air fresheners of all time. I love the fact that when I come home, I can actually smell this in my house. I come downstairs to make coffee in the morning and I can smell this. It just smells like fresh laundry and it's wonderful. Some walnuts, that's going to go in my salad. Some pecans. Some bacon bits. 2 Chili-O seasonings. This is just the original. Really good stuff there. Some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. This got in my bag, but I double checked my order and I never bought this. So I don't really know I don't know. It just kind of showed up. And I double checked my order to make sure because I had just bought Lysol, so it didn't make any sense that I thought, well, maybe I accidentally pushed a button and ordered it, but it's not. It just happened to be in one of my bags. Some chives for the baked potato. Ran out of this, had to buy this again. This is the Mr. Clean with the Unstoppable scent. Oh my goodness, it is amazing, and I love the way it smells. Giant bag. I have found that economically and, can I say, budget friendly, because we eat tacos, we eat fajitas, that, you know, we put cheese on our soup. Just opt for the great big bag, and this lasts us all month for recipes and stuff, and then I have it, and it's awesome. Some craisins. I'm actually going to use some of these in the salad, and then the others I'm going to make some homemade granola later on next week. Big bag of russet jumbo potatoes for the baked potatoes. Now you're going to hear my chair squeak. Try not to bust your ears here. We've got some cherries because in the freezer, and I'll show it to you, is a big giant gallon of vanilla ice cream. And I bought some Hershey's hot fudge to go on it. I bought some olive oil. Some Mrs. Butterworth's original, because we need syrup to go on our French bread here that we're going to turn into French toast. That's going to be really, really good. I bought one giant apple. This is a Honeycrisp apple. Our can of coffee. I'm not out. I just went ahead and bought it because of the fact that I'm going to need it. So I just went ahead and put it on the order. Some heavy whipping cream. Also bought some bagels because I do have some cream cheese in the refrigerator. So if anybody wants a bagel, in fact, I might even eat one myself tonight because my stomach is so hungry. I did 2.5 miles tonight on the track, and I just feel so famished for whatever reason. 2 wonderful green peppers. My shopper did well again. All of my produce. I hear people complain about their produce, but I never have any issue. Look at the size of this apple. This is humongous apple. And it's don't even have a soft spot in it. These things smell fantastic. And they'll be used the day after tomorrow, so that's good. Some butter. Sour cream. This is for the, the bologna salad. The sweet jerkins, some whipped cream for the sundaes. I have a pack of chicken legs. I don't know if y'all remember, but I made some really, really good fried chicken, and I used this buttermilk. I bought it again because it was so, so good. So I used this, and then I used the Italian breadcrumbs on the chicken. Delicious. So I put a little buttermilk, some eggs, scrambled it all together, and let the chicken soak in it for about an hour, and then I pulled it out, dredged it, and fried it. Oh my gosh, it was fantastic. Got some half a gallon of milk. My parents don't drink diet soda. I'm going to make iced tea. I always have Crystal Light. I have tons of water. I bought these Dr. Peppers just to have in the refrigerator for when they come. I got the ones with the lid because sometimes my mom will only drink a little bit and I want to put the lid back on. If you have cans, you know, they'll lose their fizz and it'll be wasteful. So I went that avenue. This is my spring mix that I use for my salad. And I think that is all of my groceries. I had a pretty good day today. Yes, it's a very successful day getting things done. Also concluding my day at 7:55 with all my groceries already delivered. It's fabulous. I'm going to show you real quick my ice cream, and then I'm going to end this video. Okay, I have chicken nuggets sitting on top of it, but this is the ice cream that I get. It's really, really good. My mom and dad buy this ice cream. It's delicious. We have no complaints. I guess some people don't like it, but we do, and it's really good if you have like a bunch of people when you're trying to make sundaes and stuff. It's economical. It's like it's less than $8 for this whole gallon, so it's pretty cool. Well, that concludes my Walmart Plus order / haul. I hope y'all have a fantastic day or night whenever you watch this. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.
For me, break, for me, break that body for me, what?